What's up, y'all? It's Devin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full day of eating the lazy way. I woke up this morning, I was like, nope, I don't feel like cooking. I don't at all. So we are doing a full day of cooking, not full day of cooking, a full day of eating, no cooking. And of course, I'm doing all this while tracking and counting my calories. So according to my plate, I have 1670 calories to eat today. So I'm gonna fit all of this food in that little calories. Have y'all tried these All You Women's multivitamins? Like, I swear they taste like the Fred Flintstone multivitamins I took as a kid. It's like a disturbing nostalgia because it's like, oh, I'm a kid again. But like, this stuff does not smell good or taste that good at all. But fun fact, I just Googled it and it said the best time to take water-soluble vitamins is on an empty stomach. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I don't know how to feel about it. It's like literally a disturbing nostalgia. It's breakfast time. All right, so the oatmeal is done-ish. But now I'm about to put in protein for oats. This tastes pretty good. Fun fact, they actually say that you shouldn't use Quaker oats, if I can make it look right. Yeah, they say you shouldn't use these with it. But however, this is all I got. So this is what I am using. All right, so I added more water. This is what we got. Now to give this a little taste. Pretty good. Has like 230 calories in here with 20 grams of protein, so not bad. All right, so fun fact, I was gonna go to the store right now. However, my knee is killing me. It's been hurting since yesterday. I don't know why, but like it feels very stiff. It feels swollen. It's kind of painful. So I'm not going to the store. So by the way, guys, just to support the struggle here that I'm currently having, please hit that like button to help out for the YouTube algorithm. But for meal 2, what I'm having here is I'm having 12 grams of 12 grams of proteins in this, but 80 calories of banana cream yogurt. And also I'm having lean cuisine pizza. This stuff tastes bomb. So overall it's gonna be like 440 calories with like 32 grams of protein. So I pretty much ate off all the cheese. I love cheese. It looks very plastically. Is that a word? Plasticky. Yeah, that one. But still. I'm some stuff in my face. I just want that hot and cold combination. All right, so we are looking here at meal number 3. As you can see, I have 10 ounces of pink salmon. Unfortunately, I'm gonna do some kind of work. Gotta use this can over. I know it's not so convenient, but it's like 2 minutes of work here with this. That's not mine. That's Michaelin's. Then I have fat-free cheese. And this says about 30 calories on here, but my plate has it 35 calories, which kind of makes sense because it's 3 grams and 5 carbs, 5 grams of protein, 12, 20, 32. So I'm just gonna call that 35. And Smart Pop popcorn. You know, Coach Greg would be proud because I also have, if I can reach it, I also have the mini bag popcorn, But this bag has 180 calories. So it's like I could eat 2 of these bags for 1 of these. So I just got 1 bag here. And this is going to be meal 3. Overall, this is looking around 370 calories, 57 grams of protein. Hey, real quick though, get Miracle Whip, okay? I love how all my stuff is just open out there. But yeah, get Miracle Whip, okay? Not regular mayo. Look at that. Only 20 calories. Get Miracle Whip. Save you a lot of calories. Also, get the Dr. Pepper Cream Soda, 0 sugar. This stuff tastes amazing.
So you're just gonna fit in Jesus into like everything. Is that what we're look at her facial expression? She's like, yep, imagine it, people. She's also saying that Facebook doesn't want good Christians.
Okay, so I just took out the trash. I'm about to go to the gym and try to get some stretching in and go hit the sauna. My knee is feeling a lot better though right now, so I am quite happy about that, to be honest. I was expecting a lot worse. Hey, no matter what, I may be limping, I'm still getting my steps in.
Why is your mask down?
Hey, it's all good. Yeah. Alright, so it's time for the final meal. It's like 10:15 p.m. To be honest, I don't know where the hell my microphone is. My bad, y'all. But for my last meal, I'm gonna be making a chicken salad and a protein shake. If you have not tried these buffalo chicken tenders, I get them from Target. This stuff tastes bomb. Only 100 calories and like 17 grams of protein. So it's really good. And then plus got the Orgain Superfood Vanilla Bean Protein Shake. Oh my Lord. Oh, I just knew I was gonna do that. Oh my. Alright, so I'm still working on the food here. It's a lot of food, man. It's like, what, 11 o'clock now? Like, jeez. Had to do other stuff in between. Been a busy night. What? The Dijon dressing, insane. Love it. Love it. So, oh yeah. That protein powder is so good. Overall, I ate 1,695 calories with 185 grams of protein. Now, of course, it's supposed to be 1670, but I just have a little extra dessert with this Greek yogurt caramel apple pie. 80 calories, 12 grams of protein in it. So it was well worth going an extra 25 calories over. Don't trip. If you're like 10, 20 calories over, like it is not that big of a deal, especially if you're counting calories. Just hey, you want to cut back 25 the next day, that's fine, but it's really not that deep. I want to say here with this, even though I did convenient cooking here, absolutely lazy, which shockingly was pretty good. Like 185 grams of protein. To be honest, I was not expecting that. I was just kind of winging stuff as the day went by. I was like, yeah, I think I'll have this. Yeah, I think I'll have that. Like, my stuff is random what I was eating, you know? But overall, like, this food, especially tonight, like these and salads, they're very filling still. Like, you can still not, you don't have to be, like healthy foods all the time, you know? Sometimes you have lazy days, do stuff like this, and still hit your calorie goals, still hit a good, decent amount of protein with it. So in a way, it's a kind of intuitive eating. I was eating like whatever I felt like. However, I was still tracking and counting my calories, you know, which I still think is important. My goal is to lose 1 pound a week. So if I lose 1 pound a week, it's said to eat about 1,700 calories. So which I did. So I'm going to have to finish this if I can, because I'm pretty full, to be honest. If not, it is okay. Not to finish your food, it's okay. Get rid of that thing where it's like, kids are starving in Africa. You can't send them this food to Africa, you know? So it is what it is. But thank y'all so much here for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of my full day of eating. Would you want to see more of these? Let me know. So thank you so much there, and have a good one.